This Remax Equity Group property video is presented by Sharon Alexander. Located in the highly desirable Dawncrest neighborhood, this spacious home has a wonderful floor plan including a large formal living room that flows into a large dining room great for entertaining. Huge kitchen, wLots of storage and counter space for the chef and the family, hardwood floors and a second eating area west/a slider out to a nice deck and fully fenced yard. Great family room west/a gas stove, second family room/bonus room with built-ins. Master suite west/a full bath including a jacuzzi tub and DBL closets. For more information, review the details below or contact Sharon Alexander at 503-666-2020.